Welcome to this modern G+2 residential villa, a project that reflects my passion for contemporary architecture, thoughtful planning, and realistic architectural visualization. My name is Sayed Kasahoon, and I am excited to present one of my latest residential design projects, a home created to combine modern aesthetics, functionality, and a comfortable lifestyle for today's family. The design follows a minimalist architectural philosophy, where simplicity meets elegance. Every line, proportion, and material has been carefully considered to create a timeless appearance while maintaining practical living spaces. The building facade is defined by clean white volumes, warm wooden finishes, exposed concrete textures, and dark aluminum framing. Together, these materials create a balanced composition that feels modern, sophisticated, and welcoming. One of the most distinct elements of this project is the integration of vertical greenery. The living green wall not only enhances the visual identity of the building, but also contributes to a healthier environment by improving air quality, reducing heat gain, and strengthening the connection between architecture and nature. The wooden screening elements provide both beauty and function. They create privacy, reduce direct sunlight, and add warmth and texture to the modern exterior. Large floor-to-ceiling windows invite abundant natural light into every room while creating seamless relationships between the interior. The surrounding Enscape. The villa is organized across 3 levels to provide a clear balance between public and private spaces. At the rooftop, an open terrace creates an additional outdoor living space for relation, entertainment, and family gatherings. This elevated area extends the functionality of the home while peaceful connection with the surrounding environment. Landscape design plays an important role throughout the project. Carefully selected trees, planter boxes, and green spaces soften the architectural forms and create harmony between the building and its site. Every outdoor element has been designed to complement the modern architectural wage while improving environmental. This project was modeled and visualized using professional architectural software rendered with Enscape, allowing realistic lighting, materials, and aesthetics to bring the design to life. Architectural visualization is more than producing beautiful images. It is about communicating as clearly and helping clients imagine the future before construction begins. For me, architecture is not simply about creating buildings. It is about designing spaces that improve daily life, inspire people, and stand the test of time. Every project is an opportunity to solve problems creatively while balancing beauty, function, and sustainability. Thank you for watching this presentation of my modern G+2 villa. I hope this project demonstrates my commitment to thoughtful design, quality visualization, and architectural excellence. If you enjoy architectural excellence, if you enjoy architectural design, 3D visualization, and modern residential concepts, I invite you to follow my journey and explore more of my work. This is Sayed Kasahoon, designing spaces, creating experiences, shaping the future.